Hi, my dear friends. How are you, everyone? My dear friends, Heart Touch Spoken English Grand Welcome. ఫ్రెండ్స్ మనం ఎవ్రీడే వాడే కొన్ని పదాలను మనం ఈరోజున చూద్దాము. అబ్రహాం లింకన్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్. అబ్రహాం లింకన్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్. సామ్సన్ ఈజ్ గ్రేట్. Samson is great. Phoebe never plays football. Phoebe never plays football. Mark doesn't live in town. Mark doesn't live in town. What work do you do? What work do you do? Was Susan doing hard work? Was Susan doing hard work? Did you come alone? Did you come alone? How long? How long? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? Which film is fine? Which film is fine? All are fine? Are all fine? Did you see my brother? Did you see my brother? How did you come? How did you come? Who's there? Who's there? What did you lose? What did you lose? Is she your sister? Is she your sister? How early? How early? Are you believing me? Are you believing me? Are you in hometown? Are you in hometown? Is God loving? Is God loving? Is it working? Is it working? Do you talk yourself? Do you talk yourself? Do you talk? Do you talk? Do you see? Do you see? Do you go? Do you go? Why are you going? Why are you going? Do you come? Do you come? Did you come with any? Did you come with any? From where did you come? From where did you come? With whom are you going? With whom are you going? Is there any to talk? Is there any to talk? Are you studying well? Are you studying well? Yes, it is working. Yes, it is working. Are you going? Are you going? How are you going? How are you going? Did not you do the work? Did not you do the work? Is there anybody? Is there anybody? Did anybody come? Did anybody come? How far? How far? Did you do any? Did you do any? How fastly? How fastly? Is there any to do? Is there any to do? What are you studying? What are you studying? Are you fine? Are you fine? She doesn't sing. She doesn't sing. I don't go there. I don't go there. Padma doesn't eat meat. Padma doesn't eat meat. She plays football. She She plays basketball. David eat pizza every day. David eat pizza every day. My son lives in USA. My son lives in USA. Does Samson drive his car well? Does Samson drive his car well? Abraham is where? Abraham is where? What do you do every day? What do you do every day? Sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. I am in love. I am in love. What does Susan do? What does Susan do? Who lives in New York? Who lives in New York? Where does he come from? Where does he come from? She works her touch. She works her touch. I like London. I like London. Does Martin not know English? Does Martin know English? Do you know justice? Do you know justice? మై ఫ్రెండ్స్, మీకు ఈ ఛానల్ నచ్చినట్టయితే మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా షేర్ చేయండి. 100% మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్పించడం నాది బాధ్యత. మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, 100% మీరు షేర్ చేస్తారని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. మీకు ఎవ్రీడే ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు ఫ్లూయెంట్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మాట్లాడతారని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. హార్ట్ టచ్ స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ను ఆదరిస్తున్న మీకు అందరికీ ప్రత్యేకమైన కృతజ్ఞతలు. మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎవ్రీడే రీడ్ చేయండి, ఎవ్రీడే రాయండి, ఎవ్రీడే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, ఎవ్రీడే చేయండి. 100% you are the winner, you are the speaker. Thank you very much. Yours loving you brother, Mr. Abraham Martin Lincoln. Thank you very much. Bye bye, all of you.